Midshipman First Class Castañeto Markjan Carabaca for his valedictory address.
To the Commander-in-Chief, President, Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., sir. To the PMMA Superintendent, Commodore Joel Y. Abutal, sir. Esteemed guests and officers, respected faculty, to our online viewers, beloved family and friends, the Corps of Midshipmen, and to the Kadaligtan Class of 2025, isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. This day, this moment, it didn't start here. Not in the academy, it started somewhere quieter and simpler, a small town called Llanera in the province of Nueva Ecija. You probably haven't been there. It's not famous, but it's home to me. There, life moves with the seasons. You wake up to the sound of roosters, not the sound of ships. The scent of soil tilled, sun-warmed, is more familiar than salt in the air. We plant, we harvest, we wait. That's how we live. And growing up the sea, it was just a story, a far-off dream. Becoming a seafarer ay parang imposible. Nakatayo po ako sa inyong harapan, hindi bilang isang anak ng kapitan. Ako po ay simpleng anak, panganay sa dalawang magkakapatid ng isang retiradong guro at isang dating konduktor ng bus. My mama taught me patience, kindness, and the power of words. My papa taught me grit, how to work with your hands, and how to stand tall even when life bends you low. I didn't inherit maps o mga kwento ng pagbabarko, but I inherit something better. It's purpose. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang mga sinabi nila sa akin, anak, hindi mo kailangang lumaki sa tabi ng pantalan o makakita ng barko araw-araw para mangarap ka ng malaki. Ang tunay na paglalakbay ay nagsisimula sa puso, sa pangarap na hindi mo binibitawan, sa sipag na hindi mo kinakaligtaan, at sa pananalig na iyong pinapanindigan. Basta mangarap ka, may sipag ka, at may pananalig ka sa Diyos, makakarating ka. Kaya anak, huwag kang matakot mangarap. At iyon po ang baon ko mula sa aming munting bayan, hindi karangyaan, hindi koneksyon, kundi paniniwala sa sarili, pagmamahal ng pamilya, at higit sa lahat ay pananampalataya sa Diyos. When I first got in the academy, I had no clue about ships or how things work at sea. I was surrounded by people who spoke like they've been born on a ship. I wasn't one of them. But I stayed, I listened, and I tried. I knew one thing. Purpose isn't inherited. It's found, built, and earned. So I asked myself, bakit ba ako nandito? At first, I thought just to graduate, get a job, help my family, that's it. That's enough. But time passed. Days turned into months, months into years, and something changed. I realized it's not about being a seafarer. It's being a leader. It's not shouting orders, not standing tall just to look strong. It's standing firm when the waves get wild, staying calm when everything's shaking, and lifting others when they are down. It's knowing your purpose and helping others find theirs. In PMMA, I learned discipline, resilience, and teamwork. I learned that leadership is born on hardships, in long nights, in drills that make your legs shake, in moments when you whisper, kaya ko pa ba? And I learned something else. Leadership doesn't start on the bridge or in ranks. It starts here. It starts when you choose to rise above your circumstances, when you decide to be more than what the world expects of you. Itinuro nito sa akin ang pagpapakumbaba, pasasalamat, at ang kahalagahan ng pananatiling nakatapak sa lupa. Pinaalala nito sa akin na tayong lahat ay pinagpala ng Diyos. I stand here, I look around, I see faces, familiar, brave, triumphant. I see stories, each one different, each one powerful. We've been through storms, literal ones, during our second-class years. But we made it somehow. We didn't just learn. We grew in grit, in grace, and in character. Now, we're ready not just to sail, but to lead. Sa aming mga guro at mga opisyal ng akademya, taos-puso po ang pasasalamat namin sa inyo. You guided us, you teach us. You didn't just teach us how to steer ships or maneuver in tight ways. You taught us how to steer in life. Salamat po sa pasensya, sa sakripisyo, at sa dedikasyon. To the Kadaligtan Class of 2025, ito na ang panibagong yugto at panibagong laban ng ating buhay. Tandaan natin, hindi lang tayo tinawag upang maglayag. Tinawag tayo para maglayag sa buhay. Bit-bit ang dangal, ang malasakit, ang paninindigan. Maging leader tayo na may puso, marunong makinig, may tapang, may lakas, at marunong umunawa ng kapwa. Maging uri tayo ng leader na hindi lang hinahangaan, kundi minamahal. Hindi lang magaling, kundi may puso, hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi para sa pamilya at para sa Diyos at bayan. Sa aking mga magulang, mama, papa, at sa aking pinakamamahal na kapatid, Yeng, salamat po sa pagmamahal at sigit sa lahat sa paniniwala ninyo. Mama, salamat, hindi lang sa pagiging guro, pero sa pagiging ilaw ng buhay ko. Yung mga payo mo, simple lang. Magpakabait ka, magdasal ka palagi. Paulit-ulit, pero ramdam ko kahit malayo ka. Araw-araw kang nagdarasal. Papa, salamat sa iyong sakripisyo. Sa bawat hinang, sa bawat pawis, at sa bawat pagod na hindi mo pinapansin. Para lang makapag-aral kami, para lang matupad yung mga pangarap namin, hindi kayo mandaragat, pero kayo ang unang nagturo sa akin kung paano maglayag sa buhay. Sa sipag, sa tiyaga, at sa paninindigan. Noong mismo nagduda ako sa sarili ko, kayong nagsabi sa akin, anak, kaya mo yan. At ang dahil po sa inyo, eto ako ngayon. May uniforme, may layunin, at higit sa lahat ay may pusong handang maglingkod. And above all, I give thanks to God Almighty, the source of my strength, my wisdom, and my purpose. Every storm I face, every trial in the academy, He was there. My anchor, my refuge. At it is written in Philippians chapter 4, verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I dedicate this not just to my family, not just to my mentors, not just to my peers, but to the one who made all things possible. Once again, my name is Mark Jancy Castañeto. I am the eldest son of a retired school teacher and a former bus conductor. I am the eldest of 2 children. I come from a small and humble town that few may know, but I carry its spirit and its pride. I am a seafarer, I am a leader, and I have found my purpose. Marami pong salamat, and may the fair winds guide us all, and to God be the glory.
Congratulations, Midshipman First Class Castañeto, Mark John Carabaca.